Hello everyone, my name is Akhand Pratap Singh. Today I am going to represent my presentation and my topic is Battle of Asal Uttar. I am going to explain. After partition, India and Pakistan both fighting for many regions. And first region is Kashmir and second region is some areas of India and Pakistan. Then after independence in 1965, India and Pakistan start attacking each other. Then the background of the battle during 1965 war, Pakistani army made a very dangerous plan. He make a plan to capture the Asal Uttar region, and after capturing Asal Uttar region, they want to capture our very memorable place, that is Amritsar. If India lost that war, we lost our very important city Amritsar. Then Pakistani armed regiment make a very powerful plan, and they were attack India and Indian Army General Major Harbakh Singh. Uh, he had an option to uh, took back from the battlefield, or they fought for our country. Then his units and he make a plan to battle with Pakistan, because that time Pakistani army was well prepared and Indian army not were not prepared for the war. And that time Pakistani army also used a very powerful and most advanced battle tanks, and Indian army used low advanced tanks like Centurion and Sherman tanks. As we see that uh, the place of Asal Uttar, the place is open fields, and this place is heaven for a tank battle. And Indian Army know this. If we fought by front with Pakistani tanks, we almost lost this war. And my second topic is unit involved in this war. As we seen, I told you, Pakistani use pattern tanks received from US, and Indian use Sherman tanks and Centurion tanks. They are good tanks, but they are not good at comparison to the Pakistani pattern tanks. Indian Army use 42 Centurion tanks and 42 Sherman tanks and 42 AMX 138 tanks. And that time Pakistani Army used 168 M47 pattern tanks and 42 Sherman tanks and 42 M24 tanks. Pakistani was large. Pakistani are well prepared. They uh, they want to capture our Amritsar, and they make a proper strategy to fought with Indians. Then Indian Major General make a proper plan for this. And my second topic is battle. During this battle, Indian Army General Major Harbakh Singh made a plan. He knows, and Indian Army knows that if we fight with Pakistan as a front war, we will almost lost the war. Then Indian Army make a strategy to beat Pakistani soldiers. India make a seaside formation to combat with Pakistani tanks. And Indian Army knows that Pakistani pattern tanks were very strong. They are strong from front, but they are weak from that side, by their side. Indian armies need to hit by side to destroy them. Then Indian army make a plan. They make a sea side circle where Indian army tank deployed here deployed here, and to hit Pakistani tanks by their sideways. And Indian Army also made a very good plan. That is, in the field is field is very please pause. The uh, place of Asal Uttar is a plain. good for tank battle. But Pakistani don't know what is going what they are going to face. Indian army make a very strong plan. They they cut the I think river river to put water on the plains. The plains become muddy that time, and Indian army knows that if plains were muddy, then Pakistani tanker is stuck on the mud. Then we destroy one of the everyone tanks. Then, so after some time, Indian army hears the noise of the Pakistani tanks. Then everyone become ready to fight the Pakistani tanks. After some time, Pakistani tank came here. Then Indian army start shooting Pakistani tanks. One Indian tank destroyed many Pakistani tanks. That time Pakistani face heavy casualties, and Pakistani tanks knows don't know where are Indian tanks. They are firing. Where from Indian tanks they are firing, because Indian tanks uh, were in field of sugarcane fields. They are such the Indian army tanks were hidden in sugarcane fields, and Pakistani tanks in a open place, and they are also stuck in the muddy plains. Then Indian army uh, destroy many Pakistani tanks. After some time, Pakistani army knows that we will not win the war, and they took back. And my next topic is casualties. According to the our defense ministry report, casualty Indian army lost almost 30 tanks in this battle. But the Pakistani army faced heavy losses. They faced 97 tanks were destroyed, and their 20 tanks were captured by Indian army. The award received for this battle. Indian Subedar Hamid Abdul Hamid received Paramveer Chakra, and CLS Vaidya received Mahavir Chakra for this battle. And the conclusion of battle, the main conclusion of the battle, as we as I told you already, that if India lost the war, we lost our Amritsar and some area of Punjab also. And Indian Army fought very bravely, and they. So please pause the topic. The main awards received from this battle is Paramveer Chakra received the awards received by Indian Army. Subedar Abdul Hamid received Paramveer Chakra, and our Colonel A.S. Vaidya received Mahavir Chakra. Clap for her, everyone. Because, clap for them, everyone, because they fought very brave. They fought by their very bravery, and they were also they always remember for their bravery. And the conclusion of the battle is, I think if we can't afford to lose our cities like Amritsar and Punjab, if Indian Army general took back and he make a plan, we can't not battle with Pakistan because we are not prepared well and Pakistani are well prepared. Then we lost our city, and also sometime Pakistan capture our Amritsar and also some areas Punjab. And then I I want to please clap for Indian Army who make a very well planned for this.